Today our topic is about the impacts of human actions on other life forms. Carbon dioxide emissions is one of the actions that will give a big impact on other life forms. The human activity most widely viewed as changing the planet is the burning of fossil fuels. In order to produce the energy that drives the world's economy, countries rely on carbon-rich fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. By burning these materials, humans have added nearly 400 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere between 1870 and 2013. Right now, atmospheric levels of carbon dioxide is higher than at any point in human history. Carbon dioxide is a heat-trapping gas, and as a result of these atmospheric changes, average temperature on the planet are rising and global weather patterns are changing. Some of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is absorbed into oceans, increasing their acidity by 30% over the past 100 years. This change has far-reaching effects on oceanic ecosystems and the food chains that support underwater planet and animal life. Then, plastic production is also one of the human actions that will give negative impact to not only humans, but also other life forms. Technological development has led to the invention of new materials such as plastics that were previously unknown to the world. Many of these new materials are made up of chemical compounds that can remain active in the environment for thousands of years and have lasting impacts on the delicate regulatory cycles and ecosystems. Today, the world produces approximately 300 million tons of plastics each year. About 20 to 40% of that ends up in landfills, and another 10 to 20 million tons makes its way to the oceans, disrupting sea life. According to the World Watch Institute, a recent study conservatively estimated that 5.25 trillion plastic particles are currently floating in the world's oceans. At high concentrations, these chemicals can disrupt animal endocrine systems, alter reproduction patterns, and cause cancer. Organic pollutants and plastic-derived endocrine disruptors have been discovered in low concentrations all over the world, even in areas where they have never been used, such as Antarctica and at the bottom of oceans. While the effects of low doses of these chemicals are less understood, they are widespread stresses that ultimately change ecosystems. The damage to marine ecosystem is estimated to be around $13 billion a year. Therefore, we should save the earth by producing lesser carbon dioxide, like using lesser cars. By doing that, we could either carpool or ride bicycles to somewhere. We should also use lesser plastics, so that they would produce lesser plastics. And that is the end of my video, and thanks for watching.